today we are going to study about the different types of playing cards. Okay, so in 52 playing cards we have 26 red cards and 26 black cards. So इसमें क्वेश्चन कैसे आते हैं कि अगर मान लो one card is drawn from 52 playing cards, 52 pack of playing cards. So what is the probability of getting red card? So how many red cards are there? 26. So 26 upon 52. ठीक है. अभी रेड कार्ड्स देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रेड कार्ड्स. वन इज हार्ट कार्ड्स जो 30 होते हैं एंड अनदर टाइप इज दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ हार्ट कार्ड. ओके एंड अनदर टाइप इज डायमंड कार्ड्स एंड दिस इज आल्सो 30. सो 13 प्लस 30 26. एंड ब्लैक कार्ड्स में दो होते हैं. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ डायमंड कार्ड. ब्लैक कार्ड्स में भी दो होते हैं, एक कप कार्ड और दूसरा दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ कप कार्ड एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज 13 spade cards. So this is also 13 plus 30 is 26. तो ये चार टाइप के कार्ड्स होते हैं पूरे 52 playing cards. This is the symbol of spade card. Okay. अब what is the probability of getting club card? 13 by 52. So 52 cards है. This is 13 club cards. So 13 by 52. That is 1 by 4. अभी इसी में थोड़ा सा लोग ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं कैसे? What is the probability of getting either red card or spade card? So red cards, how many red cards? 20. How many spade cards? 30. So 26 plus 30? 39. So 39 upon 50. Right. जो 30 जो diamond stars होते हैं उसमें एक किंग होता है. Right. 13 हार्ड कार्ड्स में एक किंग होगा, एक क्वीन, एक जैक और एक एस और 2 to 10 नंबर कार्ड्स will be 1-1. Altogether 13 cards. And for diamond also we have one king, one queen, one jack, one ace, 2 to 10 cards. That is number cards 8. So only 13 cards. Similarly we have one king, one queen, one jack, one ace, 2 to 10 cards. That is all number cards. 13 cards should be club. Or similarly for spade cards. Now the question is like that. So in the previous class we have studied about the different types of quadrilaterals. So let us see the family tree of quadrilaterals. So let us start with first quadrilateral. And first type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. And the second type is trapezium. And the third type is kite. Okay. और जितने भी different types of parallelograms जो हम लोग पढ़े थे, square, rectangle, और कौन सा पढ़े थे? Rhombus. और कौन सा? बस इतना ही पढ़े हम लोग. स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस. और कुछ नहीं पढ़े? हाँ, ट्रेपेजियम हो गया यहाँ पर. चलो हम लोग पैरेललोग्राम पे आते हैं. पैरेललोग्राम का जो सबसे फर्स्ट टाइप है रेक्टेंगल. ठीक है. और रोम्बस जो है इट इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ काइट आल्सो एंड इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ठीक है. So I am recapitulating on the definition of different types of quadrilateral. First, let us come towards parallelogram. So what is when quadrilateral is said to be parallelogram? Is that opposite sides are parallel to each other. अगर इसके opposite sides parallel है तो ये parallelogram. And trapezium, it is one pair of opposite sides is parallel to each other. And what is kite? Total 4 pairs of adjacent sides होते हैं. If any 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal, then that quadrilateral is said to be kite. और rhombus में देखो दोनों adjacent sides equal हैं, so that is why we used to say rhombus is a special type of kite. Okay. Now we'll move towards square. Square में देखो दोनों साइड में कनेक्ट किया, एक रेक्टेंगल से भी और एक rhombus से भी. Why? Rhombus, in what condition rhombus is a square? 4 sides are equal. इसमें ऑलरेडी है, इसमें भी 4 sides are equal है, लेकिन किस कौन सा कंडीशन और ऐड करने से रॉम्बस स्क्वायर हो जाएगा? हाँ देखो एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, बाहर एक पॉइंट लेके यहाँ से हम इसको टैंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो दैट इज द कंसेप्ट. ओके. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू टेक वन सेंटर एंड वी हैव टू ड्रॉ वन सर्कल ऑफ द गिवन रेडियस. राइट. 6 cm to 6 cm. Now we have to take point 10 cm away from the center. Okay. यहाँ से लेके उसके बाद लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. अब इसका पर्टिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है, तो कैसे करेंगे? यहाँ से हाफ से ज्यादा दोनों तरफ आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे और यहाँ से ड्रॉ करेंगे the same radius. Okay, with the same radius we have to draw arc on both sides. So we will note the point of intersection on both arcs. Okay, दूसरे साइड पे हम लोग करते हैं with same radius. Radius change नहीं करना है. Now from center to center go also we are going to arc. Both will intersect at point B. इसको हम point B लेंगे. ठीक है? Now we will join AB. अगर AB को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो इट विल इंटरसेक्ट OA पॉइंट N. सो दैट मींस द मिड पॉइंट, क्योंकि बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो वो जो पॉइंट है N जो है दैट इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ OA. सो नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ड्रॉ a circle with center N and radius NB, and these 2 points it will intersect at the 2 points, intersect the inner circle at 2 points, a P and a Q. Now we will join R and Q. PR P2 दोनों को ज्वाइन करेंगे. प्रोट्रैक्टर लेना है, प्रोट्रैक्टर चाहिए. ओके, प्रोट्रैक्टर का ये जो सेंटर पार्ट है वो इसके वर्टेक्स से कॉन्साइड करना है. कॉन्साइड हुआ अभी नहीं हुआ? नहीं अभी हुआ. देखो हो गया ना. अब यहाँ पे देखो 61 के बाद ये 61 और 62 के बीच में है. आर यू एबल टू सी? थोड़ा और बड़ा कर देगा. अब देखो ध्यान से, तो ऊपर वाला नहीं देखना, नीचे वाला मेजरमेंट देखना. ठीक है, नीचे वाला. सो 122 है अप्रोक्सीमेटली. क्लियर? इसको हम लोग अब क्या करेंगे? रोटेट करेंगे. फिर ये जो सेंटर है इसका वर्टेक्स के साथ हम ज्वाइन करना है. यहाँ पर देखो नीचे वाला मेजरमेंट नहीं, मतलब इसमें भी लेफ्ट साइड से ही करना है. मेजरिंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड होगी, राइट साइड होगी. ठीक है, जब हम लोग राइट साइड से मेजर करते हैं तो नीचे वाला सेमी सर्कल आके देखना है राइट टू लेफ्ट. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर देखो 45 अप्रोक्सीमेटली आ रहा है. ठीक है, राइट. ओके, तो हम लोग अभी स्क्वायर बनाने जा रहे हैं. स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? पहले आइसोसेलेस सेट स्क्वायर लेंगे. अब इसका एक कॉपी लेंगे. ठीक है, कॉपी करने के लिए देखो कंट्रोल दबा के, नहीं वेट, कंट्रोल दबा के माउस स्लाइड करना है. हो गया. अब इसको रोटेट करो. रोटेट सेट स्क्वायर. नाउ जॉइंट. इसके बाद थोड़ा सा ये कंट्रोल दबा के करना है. नाउ कंप्लीट. ये वाला मेजर करके ऊपर से रोटेट करो. ऊपर से रोटेट करो. ऊपर से रोटेट करो. यस, ऐसे ही काम करो. ये आगे क्या करेगा? Continue. First you make one copy, right? Very good. Then rotate and join. Copy नहीं हुआ, copy नहीं हुआ, अब हुआ copy. Control छोड़ दो. Rotate and join. और rotate करो. और थोड़ा और बस. Now join. Use control and arrow. Okay? So, learning with fun to create more interest in statistics, that is the class 10 chapter. I am integrating the mean, median and mode formula with Microsoft MS Excel. After the completion of all the exercises, what I used to do, I used to make the students to solve the questions in the Excel sheet, and the students love to do the problems because they are interacting with the computer. Now I have also conducted one Skype interaction, motivation, some clarification of doubts with the RD International School students, class 10 students, Erode, Tamil Nadu.
To understand the concepts of each and every chapter, first of all, you have to complete the entire syllabus from the NCERT. To prove that optional exercise also. And while completing the chapter, you try to write all the concepts, formulas, and whatever the statement, theorem statement on a particular sheet, like A4 sheet. In order to, whenever you want to revise, you can go through that for a quick revision. And
Okay, now this equation is not written in standard form. So first of all, we have to write this equation in this form. Okay, so we'll shift 5 to this side. So in this 5, if you shift to this side, it will become 5. So 2x plus 3y minus 5 is 0. Now this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is 0. Now comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get what is the value of a, what is the value of b, what is the value of c. इसके साथ अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे, so the value of a is 2, the value of b is 3, and the value of c is minus 5. Okay, so first exercise में ये इसी तरह के क्वेश्चन है. You have to write the equation in the standard form, and you have to get the value of a, b, and c. Okay, so now this is 3.765. 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769, and this is 3.7. Now we require a pair of linear equations of class of mathematics. So today we are going to complete the left out portions of the exercise 3.6. Okay, so I think first to this side it will become minus. So 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing it सो फर्स्ट हम लोग का पॉइंट है -3 3, सो -3 पे आ जाओ, -3 राइट। 3 के लिए ऊपर जाना है कि नीचे, ऊपर जाना राइट, तो यहाँ तक मैं आऊँगा। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज -1 2, सो -1 पे आ जाओ, सो 2 के लिए फिर ऊपर जाना, सो दिस इज -1 2। नेक्स्ट वन 1 1, ओके, सो 1 पे आके 1 पे जाना है, तो 1 ऊपर है कि नीचे है, ऊपर, तो यहाँ पर आ गया। So we got the 3 points. Now we are going to draw a line which passes through this 3 points, right? So this is the graph of first equation. इसके बाद यहाँ पे equation लिखना है, तो हम लोग equation लिखिए, right? Now we are going to plot the graph of this line. So -4 पे आ जाओ, -4 6 है, so -4 यहाँ पर है, 6 के लिए again we have to go upward or downward, upward, so up to 6 यहाँ पर, right? Next one is -1 2. Already we have -1 2 here. Okay. Next is 2 -2. So 2 पे आ जाओ. Again we have to go downward or upward for -2. Downward. So यहाँ पर आ गया हम लोग. यहाँ से यहाँ पर आ गए. Right. Now we got 3 points. Now we are going to draw a line which passes through all the 3 points. So both the lines are intersecting at point. Which point? -1 2. Right. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, since the two lines are intersecting at 2 points, at one point that is -1 2, therefore the required solution is x is equals to -1 and y is equals to 2. सबको क्लियर है, राइट? तो ये कंक्लूजन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है, उसके बाद इसका सॉल्यूशन ये है, राइट? We are going to take one pair of parallel line DE parallel to OQ. It belongs to which triangle? DE parallel to OQ. It belongs to which triangle? POQ. ठीक है, ट्रायंगल आइडेंटिफाई कर दिए, उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसमें फेस स्क्वायर अप्लाई करेंगे। चलो फेस स्क्वायर अप्लाई करें। PE upon EQ is equals to PD upon DE. This is clear? What is the first step? हम लोग ट्रायंगल आइडेंटिफाई किए, उसके बाद हम लोग उसमें फेस स्क्वायर अप्लाई किए, राइट? वहाँ पे लिखना है बाय केस थ्योरम या बाय बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम। प्लस 15, तो ये हम लोग का AC स्क्वायर है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द फाइंड ऑलरेडी आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड। सिंस ट्रायंगल ABC इज अ राइट ट्रायंगल एंड विद एंगल B इक्वल्स टू, ठीक है, हम लोग L का कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिख रहे हैं, तो पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर एक वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, right? And what is x coordinate? It is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Perpendicular distance from the y-axis is 3, and perpendicular distance from the x-axis is 1. So the coordinate is 3, 1. Okay. n का points लिखना है. So n का points लिखो जल्दी से. Here point is n. Don't touch it. Do not touch anything. Yes, no. फर्स्ट एक्स एक्सिस लिखना है ना, एक्स एक्सिस 4, this is -1/2, okay? Point is here, not here. अभी n का लिखना है, n का पॉइंट लिखो। Right, very good. 1, -1/2, right? Yes, Anna, come. P का पॉइंट लिखो, P का, this one. तो -3 है कि 3 है? Right, okay, very good. Fine. ठीक है, so what we will do, we will find first of all this one. What is the value of this one? What is the value of that one? 180 degree, 180 minus x. जहाँ तक हुआ है 4 points हुआ है। Now you locate all these points. A कहाँ पर हुआ? Where is A? Yes, very good. B, C, D. Right. Okay, very good job.
Today I'm going to tell you about my Sunday Maths Test series and weekly test series initiatives. Right. So my objective is to motivate and engage students in regular study and preparation for their annual exams. And I want to give support to class 10th and 12th. So that because of that, I'm conducting Sunday test regularly in offline mode at KV Gachibowli, and provide this service without taking any compensatory benefits from the administration. So I would like to support for economically disadvantaged students also, and my aim to help students who cannot afford costly sample paper books or question banks. Right. So आजकल जितने भी सैम्पल पेपर बुक्स हैं एंड क्वेश्चन बैंक ऑल्सो इतनी कॉस्टली है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे खरीद नहीं पाते हैं. Many students they are not able to purchase. So through my platform website, so whatever I'm test conducting for my students offline mode, I'm uploading in my website blog also, and sharing with all students and teachers. Right. Now coming to cost effective resources. Yes, provide chapter wise test series with answers, and it offers sample papers with answers through my website blog. Right. So now let us see what are the benefits. So regular testing ensures continuous assessment and better understanding, and it offers equal opportunities for all students regardless of financial background, because as it is uploaded in website blog, anybody can use it. It is free access to everyone, all CBSE students. It enhances preparation and confidence for board exam, so very important. And lastly, it encourages consistent study habits and reduces last minute stress. So these are the few benefits. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे benefits हैं, and my implementation is to conduct tests every Sunday covering different chapter wise systematically. Right. So first I will start chapter wise test series. जैसे test series complete हो गया chapter wise, then move towards the sample paper test. Suppose in maths we have 14 chapters, so 14 Sunday एक चैप्टर का टेस्ट होगा. उसके बाद कंप्लीट होने के बाद इमीडिएटली सैम्पल पेपर टेस्ट. सो माय टारगेट इज टू कंप्लीट अराउंड 14 सैम्पल पेपर टेस्ट. लास्ट ईयर भी मैंने कंप्लीट किया. सो मेक टेस्ट मटेरियल्स एंड आंसर्स अवेलेबल ऑन माय वेबसाइट ब्लॉग फॉर easy access anytime, and it's a very good impact. Students, it improves students' performance and understanding of mathematical concepts, greater engagement and motivations among students, and significantly support for economically disadvantaged students, leveling the playing field. And my initiatives ensure that all students have the necessary resources and motivation to their studies, promoting a more inclusive and supportive educational environment. So these are my initiatives. एक तो बच्चा रेगुलर पढ़े, संडे का भी यूटिलाइज करे, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे संडे यूज़ नहीं करते, छोड़ देते हैं. सो in order to make use of that Sunday also, so I am conducting this test. At least थोड़ा तो पढ़ेंगे. If suppose 100% of the day, if they study 10 to 15, 20% also minimum, so मैं success हो गया. So that was my initiative. So ये ऑफलाइन कंडक्ट करता हूँ. अब रही नेक्स्ट वीकली टेस्ट. वीकली टेस्ट मीन्स अदर देन संडे. So because I cannot conduct all the test on Monday, right, Sunday. So साइंस के लिए मैंने सेलेक्ट किया वेडनेसडे. सो एवरी वेडनेसडे आई यूज टू कंडक्ट वीकली टेस्ट. लास्ट ईयर टिल limited to sample paper test. Now this year I'm starting chapter wise test also for 2024-25. Right, same for social science also. Last year I conducted every Friday sample paper test, that 2023-24 batch, and before that also but this year I am conducting chapter-wise test, then followed sample paper test. Same for physics also, class 12th. Every Wednesday I conducted sample paper test last year, 2023-24. For this batch, I will conduct chapter-wise test series, then sample paper test. Right? So all the sample paper test and completely based and designed according to the latest CBSE curriculum. And my goal to provide regular practice to enhance the subject proficiency. So and whatever the test I am conducting, I am sharing all the test papers and sample papers on my website blog. And I am very proud that these test papers are using by many different part of the country as well as outside also, because my blog already reached 180 countries. So resources available to students and teachers worldwide, reaching 180 countries, and it is very easy of use, accessible, beneficial for all CBSE students and educators globally. And it's a very good impact that students' engagement will increase and increase discipline and consistent study habit. Because एक शेड्यूल बना रहेगा कि अरे नेक्स्ट संडे, नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे, नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे मुझे टेस्ट लेना है, टेस्ट देना है. So it increased study habits of the student, and because of this, better grasp of subject through regular and structured testing, and it improved readiness for final exams, leading to better academic performance. And my blog is utilized by students and teachers in all 180 countries, because it already reached 180 countries, but today I checked it is 181 actually. And I'm very proud of the impact and support provided to a diverse student body, positive feedback and active participations from a global education community. So continuous educational impact is continuous effort to aid students in achieving academic excellence. And my current commitment will not decrease, and dedicated to providing quality and educational resources and support. And in future, as I already told, social science and physics, I'm conducting chapter-wise tests, so I will continue expanding and refining resources to benefit more students and educators worldwide. So these are my achievements. I need to say these are my contributions for the society, for the students and teachers, in particular students, through my Sunday and Sunday maths test papers. So these are my few initiatives to engage all the students globally. Now I'm going to show you the pictures of some clips of the Sunday test series, whatever I'm conducting on Sunday in school. Right? Please watch these clips of Sunday test.
नमस्कार। कुमार स्वामी सर के लिए आज मैं ये 2 शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ। कुमार स्वामी सर की जो एनर्जी है, उस लेवल की एनर्जी पे कोई टीचर काम नहीं कर सकता इस समय में। सर एकदम निस्वार्थ होके बच्चों के लिए जिस तरीके से हर रविवार परीक्षा कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं और पूरे भारत ही नहीं पूरे विश्व के बच्चों के लिए सैम्पल पेपर, वो भी इस फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट विथ आंसर की, टाइम टू टाइम, संडे टू संडे, चैप्टर वाइज रिवीजन टेस्ट। जहाँ इतने महंगाई का ज़माना है और प्राइवेट पब्लिकेशन के अंदर में 500 हज़ार रुपए की सैम्पल पेपर्स की किताबें बिक रही है, वहाँ कुमार स्वामी सर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हर साल एक CBSE के नए पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए जिस तरीके से वो पब्लिश करते हैं और मेहनत करते हैं, बच्चों को तो फ़ायदा हो ही रहा है लेकिन टीचर्स को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो रहा है। दूसरे स्कूलों में भी टीचर्स अपना कुमार स्वामी सर के पेपर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं और दूसरे टीचर्स का रिज़ल्ट भी जो इम्प्रूव हो रहा है वो सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ कुमार स्वामी सर की वजह से ही है। मैं वापस से कुमार स्वामी सर को अपने दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ और बार बार यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि सर आप जिस तरीके से भारत के बच्चों के लिए, केंद्रीय विद्यालय में सभी बच्चों के लिए, इवन दो प्राइवेट बच्चों के लिए भी जिस तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं और वो भी निस्वार्थ भाव से, आप सही में महान हैं और इसी तरीके से काम करते रहिए सर। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, this is Rekha Chabra, PGT Mathematics from JP Public School, Noida. Today, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Kumar sir for his outstanding contribution to education community. He has been consistently creating a lot of quality content which has been a game changer for many students. His sample papers not only help students to improve their performance, but they really enjoy solving these papers. They really enjoy especially the case studies that he provides in the papers. And I believe the great educators always deserve a recognition. So on behalf of my students and myself, a big thank you to Kumar sir for all his great deeds. We are truly grateful, sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Mr. Hiren M. Shah, TGT Maths, Army Public School, Bhuj, Kutch, Gujarat. Today I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to dear Kumar sir for his outstanding contribution to education community, especially for maths. Since last 3 years, during especially Corona phase, Kumar sir's papers, material, small chapter-wise test paper help a lot to the students. For sir's outstanding contribution, I would like thanks dear sir. He has been constantly created lot of quality content. Sir's sample papers not only help students to improve their performance, they also really enjoying solving papers and especially case study question too. Sir is a great human being, singer, mentor and best teacher. On behalf of myself, my student and my school, a big thanks to dear Kumar sir for his great efforts. We are truly grateful to dear Kumar sir. Best wishes to sir, to his bright future ahead. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. My name is Rajesh and I am from Olive International School, Doha, Qatar. I am mathematics PGT here. I would congratulate Mr. Kumar Swami sir for his valuable contribution for preparing question papers for the students who are appearing for the board examinations. This worksheet and question papers are very useful for our students, and we will practicing this question paper in our school on regular basis, and also it's very useful for all the grades of students. And thank you Mr. Kumar Swami sir for your valuable contributions. Keep going on sir. Thank you sir. Thank you so much.
सुप्रभात, मैं सुनील प्रसाद राय, गणित स्नातक शिक्षक, PM श्री केंद्रीय विद्यालय चितरंजन से कुमार सर के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। कुमार सर के द्वारा भेजा जाने वाला लगभग सभी विषयों पर स्टडी मटेरियल्स एंड सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर स्टूडेंट्स के साथ साथ सभी शिक्षक साथी के लिए भी लाभकारी है। मेरे पास उनके इस समर्पण और परिश्रम की प्रशंसा के लिए कोई शब्द नहीं है। निस्संदेह सर की जितनी भी प्रशंसा की जाए उतना ही कम है। थैंक यू।
Hello, hi. I'm Shubham Dahuja and I'm a teacher, maths teacher in Dayavati Modi Academy, Meerut. And I would like to thank Kumar sir for their immense support in the field of education to our students. And their website is helping a lot to the students. It has a content which is out of the box, and the students are getting benefited a lot out of that. And I would like to show the gratitude for their generosity in providing the free study material to the students, and it's helping a lot to our students of the school and tuitions. And I'm glad to hear that website is helping our students, and I would like to show the gratitude towards them. Your support is instrumental in fostering the academic growth of our students. And thank you for your dedication to the education. And if you have any questions or not assistance, you can ask her definitely. And your material is playing a crucial student success in a role in a success, and it will be definitely marking a positive impact on education. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Hello, I am Ruhi Arora. I am a science teacher in New Blooms Public School. I would like to thank Kumar sir for their study material. I am so grateful for your thoughtful and comprehensive study material. It has proven beneficial for the students in their understanding and success. Thank you for your dedication to education. In the last, I would like to request Kumar sir for keep making that type of study material, and so that the students keep rocking. Thank you.
Greetings to all students and teachers. I'm Deepika, a math mentor, been teaching mathematics since 2009. Through this video, I would like to extend my gratitude to Mr. Kumar Swamy sir, PGT Mathematics from KV Virtually, for his unbeatable work in the field of mathematics and science for CBSE class 6 till 12. In today's scenario where big edtech turned teaching spirits into profit-minded business, Kumar sir is one among those who still kept alive the principle that don't have fame through your profession, instead bring the fame to your profession. Today, I proudly say that his study material not only helps students but also helps teachers to get updated with the latest curriculum. His priceless efforts can be seen in his study material, his class recording and latest test series for CBSE class 9th and 10th till 12th for maths and science, as per latest pattern. Not only this, even he put all his efforts to make his study material accessible to all students through his open resource platform named as kumarsir34.wordpress.com. Above all, without considering any monetary benefits. He strived harder and worked ethically without considering any name fame and any personal benefit. His motivating personality always inspires me a lot. Really want to thank sir on behalf of students and teachers. All are using your impeccable study material directly or indirectly. Sir, please keep the spirit of hard work always there inside you. Thank you so much, sir, for helping entire teacher and student fraternity. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, this is Shantalakshmi. I would like to share my feedback about Kumar sir's material. I'm consistently using for many years together Kumar sir's material pertaining to the minimum level of learning for each class, particularly for grade 9 and 10. The materials which has been given by him is really worth, and students make use of those materials effectively, and we could see the change in the approach of the students. Certainly, those materials are aligned to the latest CBSE curriculum as well as the suggestions laid by the CBSE. We found those materials are extremely useful, and students love to do those sums and they get motivated with every chapter. The lessons chapter by chapter test has been conducted for months together, and students take up this test very seriously and they prepare for the board examination in a systematic manner. The sample papers which has been given by Sir routine, that is actually the routine method of sending the question paper, making the students to do it in a particular time and releasing the answer key in the particular time had helped a lot, and students really feel very supportive. Apart from school support and other tuition supports and other supports what they have, we are really thankful to you, sir. We are grateful to you and keep continuing this hard work. Thank you. All the best for your best efforts.
Namaste. I am Kiran, appointed as TGT Maths in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ottupalam, Ernakulam region. कुमार सर से मैं पहली बार अपने इंडक्शन कोर्स में मिली थी केंद्रीय विद्यालय गच्चीबोली हैदराबाद में। जिस डेडिकेशन के साथ सर हमारे सेशंस ले रहे थे उन सब से मैं बहुत मोटिवेट हुई। That time I observed that sir's teaching is just like a spark that creates the desire to learn in all of us. इंडक्शन के बाद जब मैं अपने स्कूल में आई तो मैंने देखा कि मेरे सीनियर टीचर्स हैं वो बच्चों को कुछ सैम्पल पेपर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे और बच्चे उन सैम्पल पेपर से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे बिफोर बोर्ड एग्जाम। तो मैंने सीनियर टीचर से पूछा कि ये सैम्पल पेपर मैडम कहाँ से मिले, सर कहाँ से मिले? Then they told these are made by Kumar sir. After that I came to know about the YouTube videos, blogs and MNL of Kumar sir. I was really afraid when I was given 10th standard for first time. But all these materials were really helpful for me when I was taking the 10th standard for first time. Because of all these videos and blogs, I was able to give 100% result in 10th class. सर की वीडियोस एंड ब्लॉग्स स्टूडेंट्स को ही हेल्प नहीं करते, दीज आर हेल्पिंग टीचर्स ऑल्सो. Sir is helping teachers that how to deliver a specific topic in class so that maximum output will be there. In this pandemic situation also, sir is every time ready to help us. And here I would like to share my personal experience. When I joined the KV, so I was facing the inspection for first time. I was afraid how to do, what to do. That time मैंने सर को कॉल किया, सर within 1 week inspection will be there in our school, so what to do? So सर ने बोला no need of getting tense, you just keep going as usual. और इतना हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होने के बावजूद भी सर ने मुझे कुछ PPT और लेसन प्लान मेल किए. आफ्टर दैट आई वॉज रिलैक्स्ड. So sir is very helpful, very dedicated and very hard working teachers. Sir, you are example of wonderful teacher. We are learning from you. So in last I would like to say most valuable resource that all teachers have is each other. If we have a guide, a mentor, a motivator like Kumar sir, we can prove, we KV teachers can prove ourselves as a good teacher. Thank you so much sir. Thanks a lot for the help. I wish you all the very best for your bright future. Thank you.
सुप्रभात. मैं दीनम गुवाहाटी संभाग के अंतर्गत TGT मैथ्स के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ. मैं श्री कुमार स्वामी सर के बारे में इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि इस पेंडेमिक में सर ने अपनी यूट्यूब वीडियोस एंड ब्लॉग्स के थ्रू स्टूडेंट्स को जो मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करवाया है वो काफ़ी सराहनीय है. सर जिस डेडिकेशन के साथ इस पेंडेमिक में अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काम कर रहे हैं वो हम टीचर्स के लिए भी काफ़ी मोटिवेशनल है. उनका हार्डवर्क एंड डेडिकेशन हम टीचर्स को भी इतना मोटिवेट करता है कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी इतना हार्डवर्क करें एंड उनके फ्यूचर के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम कर सकें. सर के जो ब्लॉग्स एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस हैं वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एंड इवन टीचर्स के लिए भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहे हैं. अगर स्टूडेंट्स को कोई डाउट होता है तो वो उनके वीडियोस के थ्रू इजीली समझ सकते हैं क्योंकि वीडियोस में इतना डिटेल्स में एंड आपको हर टॉपिक अच्छे से क्लियर करते हैं. एंड उनके जो ब्लॉग्स थे मैंने भी यूज़ किए हैं जो उनका स्टडी मटेरियल था. तो मेरा जो CBSE में 100% रिजल्ट आया था मेरी क्लास का. सो उसमें सर के ब्लॉग्स के मटेरियल थे उनका भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। सो मैं कुमार स्वामी सर को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी कि सर आप हमारे लिए एक मोटिवेशन हैं, हम टीचर्स के लिए भी। एंड मैं विश करूँगी कि आप फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे ही अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काम करते रहें एंड हम टीचर्स को मोटिवेट करते रहें, ताकि हम आप जितना तो नहीं बट हाँ आप जैसा डेडिकेशन एंड हार्ड वर्क करना सीख जाएं अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और ज़्यादा हम उनके लिए हार्ड वर्क कर सकें। सो उनके ब्लॉग्स एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहे हैं। सो मैं फ्यूचर में उनके लिए सक्सेस की विश करती हूँ कि सर आगे भी ऐसे करते रहें एंड आपको हमेशा अपनी हर फील्ड में सक्सेस मिले और आप प्रोग्रेस करें। थैंक यू कुमार सर।
Greetings. I'm Anya Shruti Sitaraman, studying in class 12 in Hindu Colony Chalama Vidyalaya School, Nanganallur, Chennai. And I'm creating this video to express my gratitude to Mr. Kumar sir for providing the study materials of class 12, and all the study materials were very helpful in my board exams, and I wrote all the exams very well because of the study materials, and all the sample question papers provided were very useful for all the competitive exams also. So I am very thankful for this. Thank you so much, sir.
Good evening everyone, I am Vrinda Agrawal, student of class 12th studying in Springdale's Public School. The chapter-wise practice sets provided by Mr. Kumar sir on his website have not only remarkably improved my understanding in mathematics but also made the subject less doubting for me. I would like to thank my tuition teacher Mr. Ashish Kumar Srivastava sir, who has provided us the medium to connect to these resources. Now I am confidently anticipating the sample question papers, and I am optimistic that they will further enhance my understanding. Thank you for all your efforts.
Hello Kumar sir, this is Abhay Sharma, studying in class 12 from Vidyadeep Global School, Mawana, Meerut. Sir, I am going to appear for the board examinations 2024, and I have been using your study material from your website since a while, and it has been very beneficial and fruitful for my preparation. And using your study materials, I feel very confident about my studies. And sir, thank you very much for your unconditional support and love for the students appearing in the boards. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Agas. I study in class 12 in Simralaya Vidyalayam, Thiruvananthapuram. I wanted to express my gratitude to Mr. Kumar Swamy sir for his excellent study materials and sample papers. He helped me boost my confidence and also helped me secure a good marks in my maths and physics examinations from a CBSE board. Thank you sir, thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it.
Hello everyone, myself Bhakti Danove of class 12 science from PM Shri School, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sindhu. As we all 12th class students are going to appear for CBSE 12th board examination in few weeks, I want to share my effective study techniques, especially in maths. We regularly solve 20 questions paper on each chapter. This method had revises each and every topic thoroughly. As we almost completed our chapter-wise revision, now we are confident enough to tackle with entire syllabus. In my opinion, this method has significantly improved my preparation and made revision easier. The questions are thoroughly crafted, covered all the concepts, all the formulas and marking scheme as well. It is said that practice makes a man perfect, and this technique of practicing literally made me confident and has reduces my exam fear about board examination. My special thanks to Kumar Swamy sir for his great efforts and providing such a great study material for us. Thank you from all 12th class students of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sindhu. Thank you.
Greetings, my name is Viraj Adi, a student of class 12, National Public School. Today I stand before you all to present my heartfelt gratitude towards Mr. Kumar Swamy sir. His free practice series did not only help me gain confidence but also showed me my weaknesses and strength, thereby practicing me and preparing me for my board exams. I found his practice series exceptionally helpful in my physics and math board exams. I also noticed that many of the questions in the exam were came out from his test series. I was not able to thank Mr. Kumar Swamy sir because of my ongoing books, but now that I am free, I am very happy to thank Mr. Kumar Swamy sir for his unconditional bond to help students excel in their exams. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Manjul Rastogi of class 12th, Shri Ram School, Mavana. Today, I would like to thank our beloved sir, Kumar sir, for discovering such a wonderful website on which we can easily have all our study materials, especially mathematics. Till 10th, I was not such a bright student, but in 11th, during the pandemic period, my teacher in my Pathshala Institute introduced me to this website. It was such a wonderful website and my grades automatically grew up, and I'm sure in term 1 exam also I have scored much well. I would like to thank Mr. Kumar for such a wonderful website. Thank you, Kumar sir.
Greetings. I am Dhruv Singh of JP Public School, and I am making this video to express my gratitude towards Kumar sir, who made a very relevant series of sample question papers for this year's board examination of mathematics. I solved those sample question papers, which helped me in solving today's board question paper very easily. Thank you so much, sir. Truly.
नमस्ते सर, मैं सर ऋषिका अग्रवाल। सर मैं सुबोध पब्लिक स्कूल से हूँ, जयपुर। सर मैंने आपकी यूट्यूब पर खूब सारी वीडियोस देखी और आपकी साइट से नोट्स भी लिए और जो आपने टेस्ट दिए थे वो भी अटेंड करे। इसके कारण मेरी परफॉर्मेंस में काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मानवी अग्रवाल है। मैं सुबोध पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ, जयपुर से। मैंने आपकी यूट्यूब से वीडियोस देखे, काफी ज्यादा हेल्प मिला। इन वेबसाइट से नोट्स भी डाउनलोड करे थे। मैंने जो आपने पेपर्स दिए थे उसको अटेंड भी करा, तो उससे काफी सारा हेल्प मिला और मेरे उसके कारण मार्क्स भी काफी अच्छे हैं।
Good morning, I am Arpita Mishra, studying in grade 10, Olive International School, Doha, Qatar. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards Swamy sir, who had helped me by providing a lot of sample papers and previous year question papers, which has helped me and guided me for my school examinations. Thank you sir for providing me all the sample papers and question papers, which has helped me in my examinations as well as prepare me for my board examinations. Thank you sir.
Good evening, I am Dania Zehra Zaidi, currently studying in class 10 at Gargi Girls School. The chapter-wise practice paper which Mr. Kumar sir has provided on his website has significantly improved my understanding in maths and making the subject less doubting for me. My tuition teacher Mr. Ashish Kumar Srivastav sir has provided a medium to connect to these useful resources. Now I am eagerly anticipating the sample paper test series for board exams, and I am confident that it will further enhance my preparation. Your commitment for providing free resources to all students have been commendable and greatly appreciated. Thank you for all your efforts.
Myself, Shrujita Sen from PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Chittaranjan, is today going to express my gratitude towards Mr. Kumar Swamy sir, who actually provided us with the test papers and the sample question papers of mathematics. The questions were actually competency-based questions, which were based on the new model or the pattern. It actually helped me to visualize like where I was standing and how much efforts I have to put. The questions helped me also in my school examinations. Before that, I would like to say thanks to Mr. Sunil Prasad Rai sir, my maths teacher, who actually helped us to introduce to you sir. And thank you so much sir for providing the sample papers of science and SST, which are also the main subjects for 10th boards. Thank you so much sir for all your efforts. Thank you.
Namaste sir, I am Niveshni studying 10th standard. All your sample papers are very useful to us for our exam preparation, and I could see my confidence levels increasing by regularly practicing your sample papers, which are frequently shared by our teacher Shanta ma'am. I would like to convey my heartfelt and sincere thanks for Kumar Swamy sir for his guidance throughout the year. Thank you sir.
Good morning sir, myself Priya, student of class 10, PM Shri KV Chittaranjan, West Bengal. Today I am here to thank Mr. Kumar sir for providing the sample paper series for my board exam preparation. The sample papers not only increased my understanding in maths but also increased my maths percentage in my school. I also like to thank my maths teacher Mr. Sunil sir, who had connected us with Mr. Kumar sir. Thank you sir for all your efforts. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Khushi Kumari of class 10 from PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Chitranjan. I am very thankful to Mr. Kumar sir for his dedication and outstanding teaching and the efforts he made for us. He has provided us various question papers and practice sets for our board exam preparations. All the questions are very important from the point of view. After that, I would like to thank Mr. S.P. Roy sir, our maths teacher, who encourages us by providing his sample papers and practice sets for our preparations. At last, I'll thank Mr. Kumar sir and S.P. Roy sir for his encouraging efforts. Thank you.
I'm Palak Lilhare from class 10. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya of Ambazari, Nagpur. During class 10, Prashant Garge sir sent me the video of Kumar sir. I would like to thank Kumar sir. Because of their videos, I improve myself in maths. They also provide us study materials like assignment questions, sample papers, etc., which help me to know the paper pattern of board exam. By solving sample papers, I also improve my difficulty level. This all was possible because of them. Thank you so much, sir, for doing this for us without being actually with us. Thank you so much for doing this. At the end, I would like to thank you and encourage you for doing this continue. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Avni Dikshit, a student of class 10th, KV Durg, Chhattisgarh. I had appeared for the 10th board exam of session 2023-24 and have secured a percentage of 97.6%. I'd like to express my gratitude to all my teachers who had helped me to clear my board's exam efficiently. During my preparation of the board's exam, I found Kumar sir's study material to be very helpful. From his Sunday sample papers, mock test and PYQs, I had made them a part of my preparation, which later helped me to give my exam without much difficulty. I'd like to thank him for his hard work and the effort to provide us with essential study material routinely.
Good morning, my name is Vaibhav Krishna Shah. I read in class 10th, PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Chitranjan. Today I am very thankful to Mr. Kumar sir, an outstanding and brilliant teacher of TGT Maths of Hyderabad. He had helped us by providing us various practice sample papers for our class 10th board preparation. The practice sample papers had very high level questions. He had also helped us and guided us in our studies. So I am very thankful to him. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. This side Manasvi Rastogi of class 10th of Kargi Girls School. With the help of this video, I would like to thank Mr. Kumar sir for providing us with such amazing sample papers of subjects Science, Maths and SST. I have been solving these question papers from past few days on daily basis, and I have identified that these are really helpful for me in identifying different types of questions which have a chance of appearing in board examinations. I would also like to thank my coaching teacher, Mr. Ashish Srivastav sir, for providing me a medium to get to know about these sample question papers. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Ram Prasad from class 10 DPS Vijayawada. So I had recently completed my class 9 final exams. In the preparation time, I was very weak in a case study based questions because they were completely out of the textbook and syllabus. I was referring for many channels which help me to get it out of it. So at that time I had watched Kumar sir's videos. They had just helped me so much, and the best part is the questions which were given by him were also same as reflected in my question paper. Thank you so much sir for your help that you has given us. I suggest the juniors, you can watch sir's videos and you can get a brief idea of case study questions and whatever the doubts you have. And yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Good evening. My name is Ayushi Sharma of class 10th. The assignment and notes on the website of Kumar sir are very useful to enhance our knowledge and also helpful in board exam of class 10th. We are thankful to Kumar sir for all their efforts to create such a productive assignment and a practice paper. Thank you so much, sir, for your great work.
Warm good evening to everyone. I am Anka Kumari, studying in Standard 10 from Kendriya Vidyalaya Chitranjan, West Bengal. I am here in front of you to share my experience with Kumar Swamy sir's practice sets, study material and the sample papers that he had been providing us since 1.5 months, and it had been very helpful for us as it is giving us a rough idea of where we are standing on a scale of 1 to 10, where we have to improve and where we don't have to give that much of time. As he's had been providing sets, sample papers for SST, math and science, those are the most the important subjects for class 10th, and it had been helping us a lot since I have given 2 pre-boards and most of the questions have been matched, and at the study material that had been provided for SST, it had all the sums that are there for the chapters, which chapter had how much of marks, which questions are important, which will come, MCQs, 3 marks, short answer. So it had been very, very helpful. The case studies of maths, 5 number questions, all of that. So I'm very thankful to him, and I would also like to thank our maths TGT, Mr. Sunil Prasad Rai sir, who actually introduced us to sir and told us to solve his sets, as it will give us confidence and we will have more knowledge and more things to do, and we will solve more questions and we will gain more confidence, and it will be very helpful to us. At the end, I would like to thank you very much, sir, for providing those sets, as it had been very helpful to us, and thank you, sir.
This is Divyanshi Sharma, student of class 10. The assignments and notes provided by Kumar website are very useful to enhance our knowledge and also help in board exam of class 10. We are very thankful to Kumar sir for their all effort to make the assignments and practice paper. Thank you so much, sir, for your great work.
Good evening, myself Samiksha of class 10th from Gargi Girls School. I got the sample paper and other materials which Mr. Kumar sir has provided on his website. Those sample papers have not only helped me in improving my marks but have also helped me in gaining confidence. My tuition teacher, Mr. Ashish Srivastav sir, has provided a medium to connect to these useful resources. I solve a sample paper on a daily basis and rectify my mistakes, which has shown a beneficial effect on my academics. I give all the credit to Mr. Kumar sir as well as my tuition teacher. Thank you for all your efforts.
कुमार सर, मेरा नाम अनुज अग्रवाल है। मैं आपके नोट्स पढ़े, आपके वो साइट से डाउनलोड करके आपके नोट्स पढ़े और यूट्यूब से आपकी वीडियोस देखी। मेरे को एग्जाम में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिली। थैंक यू सर।
नमस्कार कुमार सर, मेरा नाम अथर्व आहूजा है। मैं क्लास 10th में पढ़ रहा हूँ। मैं सेंट एंसलम पिंक सिटी स्कूल का विद्यार्थी हूँ। मैंने यूट्यूब पर आपके वीडियोस देखे और उससे मुझे काफ़ी कुछ सीखा। अपनी टेस्ट सीरीज ज्वाइन की, उससे काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट आया। थैंक यू कुमार सर।
I am Atish Shubhan. I am currently studying in class 11 in Kendriya Vidyalaya Indian Campus, Bangalore. Last year, we were all in an unexpected situation and we had to face our board exams. And that is when Kumar sir's materials were very useful. Kumar sir's materials and question banks were discussed in our class. These materials were introduced to us by our maths teacher and guide, Susie Johnman. The question papers which were released at the end of the year was really useful, which helped us to face our board exams with much of ease. We in groups used to discuss the question banks, question papers and their answer keys. I'm sure it had a great impact on our marks in the board exams. Thank you, Kumar sir.
नमस्ते सर, मेरा नाम पीयूष अग्रवाल है। कुमार सर, मैं आपको धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। आपके जो यूट्यूब पे जो आपके वीडियोस थे और मैंने आपकी वेबसाइट विजिट करी थी, उस पे जो आपने पढ़ने के सजेशन दे रहे थे तो मेरे बहुत काम में है। और सर मैं इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ, धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Rajsekhar Chaudhary, studying in class 10th, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Basti, UP.
I am following Kumar Swami sir from 9th standard. I am watching his lectures which helps me a lot to clear my concepts of mathematics. Yesterday was my mathematics exam and it was too lengthy, but I was able to complete it on time because Kumar Swami sir had given us a lot of sample paper for practice, which contains a variety of questions which had come in my board examination. He also gave a lot of sample paper of social science and science which helps a lot to improve my score in board examination. Thanks a lot, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Kriti and I'm from Delhi. As we all know, today we had our mathematics examination of class 10th and it was quite lengthy. But you know what? I was able to complete my examination on time because I practiced many sample papers created by Kumar sir, and which gave me a lot of confidence in the examination hall because the questions were of great variety, and I'm really hopeful that I will get good marks in result. And credit goes to Kumar sir. Thank you sir. Keep guiding.
कुमार सर, I am Dev and I am from Jaipur. कुमार सर, मैंने आपके नोट्स पढ़े, YouTube पे डाउनलोड करे, मेरे को उससे बहुत हेल्प मिली. थैंक यू.
Good evening, sir. I am Santanu Pal of class 10 of Kendriya Vidyalaya Chitranjan. I got the sample papers and the materials that you have given in your website. Our maths teacher, Mr. S.P. Roy sir, provided a medium who connected ourselves with you. I solved the sample papers which improved my exam marks very much. I give the credit to you and as well as our maths teacher, Mr. S.P. Roy sir. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार कुमार सर, मेरा नाम दिव्यांगु मंडल है. मैं जयपुर से हूँ. मैं श्री अग्रसर स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ. मैंने आपके YouTube में वीडियोस देखे, उससे मेरे को बहुत हेल्प हुई और मैंने आपके वेबसाइट से नोट्स भी डाउनलोड करे. उससे मेरे दोस्तों को भी अच्छा लगा और मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो इसके लिए धन्यवाद.
कुमार सर, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद मैदान है. मैं सेंट एडमंड स्कूल जयपुर में पढ़ता हूँ. मैंने आपकी वीडियोस देखे और आपके टेस्ट सीरीज ज्वाइन करे, जिससे मेरे स्कोरिंग में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट आया. थैंक यू सर.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सुजीत है. मैं श्री अग्रसर पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ जयपुर में. कुमार सर, आपके मैंने कई वीडियोस देखे यूट्यूब्स में और कई सारी वेबसाइट में, उसमें मैंने डाउनलोड किए, तो उससे मुझे बहुत हेल्प हुई और बहुत मदद हुई. मेरा अच्छा स्कोर रहा और ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू.
Namaste sir, my name is S.V. Vidyesh Kumar Bharadwaj, studying in class 10. Your test paper was very useful for me to recall my NCERT sums and was encouraging me. I did well, it was easy and it was very useful for me. Weekend I was practicing that. Shanta ma'am, she was sending me that papers weekly. It was very useful sir. Thank you sir.
सतीश शर्मा, आई एम फ्रॉम जयपुर. मैंने आपके YouTube पे वीडियो देखे और साइड से नोट्स पढ़े थे और मुझसे थोड़ा मेरे को हेल्पफुल मिला और 10th में काफ़ी अच्छा स्कोर कर पाया हूँ. थैंक यू कुमार सर.
Aksha from Mumbai. I'm from class 8A. I have been practicing your worksheets every day and it's been really helpful, and I would like you to provide these worksheets further.
Hello sir, I am Sakshi from grade 8. And I was really scared before from doing maths, and now that I've been practicing your worksheets, it have really made me gain confidence. Thank you.
I am Rahul from grade 9 from Mumbai. Sir, I would like to thank you for your tireless efforts that you have put in your worksheets. We are practicing regularly and we would love you to continue your work. Thank you sir.
Hello, I'm Akash from grade 9, Mumbai, and I am currently practicing this worksheet and I'm practicing it regularly, starting to learn the concept. Thank you for sending this worksheet for us, sir.